I've got some Ipsy mystery bags, so if you want to see if they are worth it, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe was working outside, so she is just going to wash off to make sure there's no ticks on her. And Bandit is harassing my mom for dinner, even though it's way too early. But if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So I have the two Ipsy mystery glam bags that are, I think, the most current ones. Maybe this one isn't. This is the Sweet Treat mystery bag. And this is the Eat Glam Love, I believe it's called, mystery bag. And this one, I just really liked the bag. And I was like, you know what? Whatever I get, I get. All right. So I did put the items do come in a bag. I put them in these bags to just kind of show you how they look full. We're going to start with this one. So this is the smaller one. You're going to get, I believe it's 5 deluxe sample travel size, maybe a full size item in there. So what I really like, I like this kind of soft cover. I like that a lot. It just has a regular tag. And then the inside is yellow. There's a little sneak peek. Now I have seen a couple people open this, and I do have some different items from them. I have some same, some different. So the first thing I have is by Goldilocks. It's the Ultra Hydrating Signature Hair Mask. And I believe I've had a full size of this before and really enjoyed it. This is going to be a deluxe sample or travel size at 1 fluid ounce, so not a bad size. Next, by Eloise, we have a blush in the color Bloom. It looks to be a peachy color. This is 3 grams. I'm going to guess it's travel size. I'm not sure, but I would think so. By Shades by Shan, we have the setting spray. So this is a nice little travel size at 20 milliliters, it looks like. All right, nice little travel spray. By Ace Beauty, what do we have here? This I have seen in the Shades by Shan, this I think I've seen in other people's bags. This is a hydrating face primer. It is 10 milliliters or about 1/3 of an ounce, so pretty small there, but it is a face primer, so it will last a while. All right, next by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This looks to be a clear lip gloss, so that's pretty nice. It's not in a box, it's not sealed, but I mean, it's definitely full. So there is that. So it's a nice clear gloss. And then last, and I have seen that in other people's bags too, but this I haven't seen in anybody's. This is by Juliet Has a Gun. It's the Ode to Dullness, and this is going to be their travel size. And it is 5 milliliters. And so this is a pretty good size for this kind of bag. I mean, these are still pretty, this is a pretty, you know, expensive brand. Oh, I like that. It's got some floral, but some musk to cut it. Yeah, I would definitely wear that. Does it have, let me see if it has the scent notes on there. If not, I'll post them up there. All right, it has a creamy composition of badiane, I don't know what that is, B-A-D-I-A-N-E, cashmere flower, sandalwood, and tonka bean. It's an indisputably cozy scent. So I think that's a win. First of all, ABH, that's pricey. So, and things I really would enjoy. I've tried this before and have enjoyed it. So I have 6 items. So that's also a score. All right, we have the face primer. We have the setting spray and the blush. Okay. I'm not mad at that. I think that's pretty nice. All right, so this here does not have a lining, but it's just so darn cute. All right, there's your sneak peek. We've got some really nice brands in here. So first, by Benefit, we have their Roller Lash Mascara, and I think I have a sample size of this. I don't think I've ever, well, maybe I've used the sample. I don't know if I've had this in a full size or not, but I do love Benefit mascara. They just are, they make great mascaras. They're not inexpensive, but they're also not over the top expensive. They're kind of what I would consider that moderate price, not drugstore brand, but still more of a moderately priced. When you look at some of like the other brands having $46, $56 mascaras, I think this is around like $36. I have the price though. You know, I'll look that up for you. Next, Pixie by Petra is the Lip Glow Tinted Lip Balm. So this is one of those drugstore brands that always knocks it out of the park, at least with their lip products and their eyeliners. I have always loved it. I've never had any of their eyeshadows that I can recall. I've had a cheek palette, which actually this is Chloe's, so I didn't use it. This is in Juicy. It's a tinted lip balm. You'll know I love my tinted lip balms. All right, that is a nice bright coral. On, you can see it's just a hint of color. Next, by Billion Dollar Brow, is the Brow Lift. So this is going to be probably a clear, would be my guess. It doesn't say, but I'm going to guess it's a clear eyebrow gel. I do enjoy a clear eyebrow gel. Next, by Ciate London, we have the Cherry Blast Blush and Highlighter Palette. Let's take a look at this guy. So inside it looks just like the box. And absolutely stunning. I'm not going to swatch this because look at, I mean, it has those embossed, right, where it says Cherry Bomb and it has then the cherries. So super lovely. And then last in here is by Symbiosis London, and this is the Charcoal and Propandial Purifying and Imperfections Correcting Micellar Water. So there is how it looks. And I know that this is an expensive brand, and I think even as a micellar water, I think it's pretty pricey. So I think this was also a pretty good bag. I mean, you've got a face palette, a lippy, an eyebrow gel, a mascara, and then a micellar water to clean it all off. So tell me your thoughts. Were these some pretty good bags? I think they were, but you guys let me know. And that's all I have for now. But all right, that's all I have for now, but please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It is totally free, but it helps our channel grow and be able to add more content, and hopefully we'll see you soon.